Ingabire Janvier is a youth entrepreneur who took a loan to boost her vegetable business and repays her loan of 118,000 Rwanda francs every month, despite her business being affected with this pandemic that has left many businesses grappling. I was not given a relief from paying my loan, and we know that the central bank advised that they do so. Our businesses are suffering and they know it, so they should help us too, at least until the business is back on ground. On the other hand, Kwizera Daniel says he was not able to pay his loan last month and he's worried of the fines that will come with it.
Amande gukererwe turabizi iyo umuntu atishyura neza inguzanyo amande ashobora kujyaho.
We know that we are fined if we do not repay our loans well. We took a 10 million loan and we had repaid 1 year and a half now. And however, this time round, it's different. We called on the bank and explained our dilemma, but they've not yet responded to us. Banks and financial institutions say that they are in talks with their clientele. However, different banks have been doing so in their own ways. Urwego Bank eased the repayments of loans for up to 3 months, but the head of the bank, Bayingana Christine, explains each client is accorded this separately and following their case.
Ari inyungu ku nguzanyo cyangwa ari inguzanyo ubwayo umukiriya wese udashoboye kwishyura ntago tumusaba kwishyura.
If the client cannot afford this now, we accord them 3 months, and after that we review each case as brought to us. We have those whose businesses stopped. We have those who do not have their capital income. Those ones are in the same category. We have those who are still in business, but it is slow and see no profit, and that's another category. We have others who say we have nothing to revamp our business after the lockdown. We are strategizing on how to help all these categories.
Ubwo rero uko ari batatu turimo kubateganyiriza ingamba z'ukuntu tuzabafasha kugira ngo bongere bahaguruke bashobore gucuruza.
The managing director of BPR, Maurice Toirotich, says that the bank is also finding ways of helping all those who acquired loans from them.
We have restructured, most of their loans as it is currently. And the restructure depends a lot on the circumstances of each one of the customers. So you will have a customer who has started trading and maybe not having as much income as they used to have, but some income is beginning to come through. So we're working with them to say, all right, so this money that you're beginning to make, what is it enough for? It's enough for maybe sustaining some staff employment, buying some basic raw materials. And so we work with them, to say, all right, we can delay the repayment of the loans that you used to have until a period when we hope that business will have come back to normal. So we've extended repayments for some loans for 3 months, others for 6 months, others for 1 year.
The Bankers Association says the time frame for most banks is 3 months to 1 year. However, Equity Bank CEO Hannington Namara says this is not enough. Prolonging the grace period is not enough. What else can we do? That's what we are looking at for our clients. So we can look for made in Rwanda products too, seek solutions within if some of the businesses are stuck due to closure of the borders. We should get homegrown solutions as the whole world grapples with the pandemic. The central bank has called on the banks to talk to their clientele on how the loans acquired can be repaid without being a burden.